Hey everyone, it's Brett Jackson with Heartland Turf. We're out here seeding a yard today. You can see a couple guys behind me doing a little bit of seed and as well as a verticutter. And what our seeding process entails is going over the entire yard with a verticutter 2 times, 2 passes of seed. We use an aerator, which pulls plugs out of the ground, loosens the soil, and creates more places for seed to get into. And then we hit the whole yard with fertilizer. And then finally, anywhere that a machine can't reach along the edges, in the corners or low spots, we'll hit it with a hand tool so that we make sure we get good coverage everywhere. But our process includes going over the entire yard with the verticutter 1 time, and then after that we put down a pass of seed. And so the seed will fall into those grooves that the verticutter made, and I'll show you that here in a second. And then we go over the entire yard again in a different direction with the verticutter. And that creates more holes, but it also works the seed into the first slots that the first pass made. And then we put down another pass of seed after that, and we get really good coverage that way. You get really good results. Of course, during those 2 passes, we usually have a guy running an aerator, and he'll run the whole yard with the aerator, which opens up even more holes. Of course, like I said, then we put down fertilizer and hit the hand tools. Let me see if I can show you what some of these slots look like that the verticutter makes. Their slots are only about 1.5 inches apart, and it allows the seed to get below the surface. If you can see one right here, it might be kind of hard to see in the video. There's another one right here, but they're continuous slots that opens up the ground and allows the seed to get down below the surface. If there's a seed sitting on top, it won't it won't germinate. Seed, just like any other seed, has to be below the surface for it to grow. So that's the whole purpose of these machines. Get it below the surface. The verticutters have these blades on the underside of it that actually scores the ground and kind of mixes up the soil. So it does a great job of getting good seeding results and turning a yard that's kind of thin into something that's nice and thick and lush and beautiful. If you have any questions about it, let us know. Thanks.